Hello, Bob Foster here with a SeaChanger magazine demo on using the book file part 2. Here we have a page that's part of the book file, and we're looking at the page numbering. So we're going to try and get into some of the details of setting up the book file. This is pages 4 through 7 according to the file name. And we can adjust the page numbers in the document settings, document setup. You see, we still want 2 pages, but we want it to start on page 4. So we can adjust this to page 4. This is why it helps to have a paper map of all of the pages to know where they all go. We OK that, and now you see that it's updated to page 4 through 7. To match the file name and the position in the magazine. You want to save it here and add another file. Go on to the next one, Black Lives Matter, which is on page 8. OK that, and I'll add it in. I had some more errors, but we're going to just do the demo here. You see that it says also pages 2 to 3, but it's actually pages. You click on it and you bring up the file, and you'll see up at the top this designer already put the page numbers in, page 8 and 9. So we want to change that in the document settings. So we go in here and change that to page 8, start on page 8, and we got a bleed area, and so we're all set with that one. So you would go through and continue adding all the files and going through, finding any errors and fonts missing and things like that. If you wanted to synchronize with a style source, this would be the first file that you imported. It's more complicated than we can get into here, but you could add page numbers and styles that cover all of the files. There's a menu here that has all kinds of things to do with the book file. You can package it for printing, export EPUB, export as PDF, synchronize to style source. A lot of these things you'd have to learn over time. This is where you'd update all the numbering if you had all the things set up to do the numbering for all of the documents. Package selected documents for print is how you would send it to the printer. So we're going to export a PDF here, and it's asking where you want to save it, and give it a file name as a PDF. You can do this as rough drafts while you're creating the magazine to allow people to see progress and what needs to be changed. And you get a whole host of different settings in here. We want high quality print for the preset. Basically you have to learn what all of these are. If you're responsible for the book file and you're a graphic designer, you want to learn how to do all this. And this part here is important, the marks and the bleeds. If you're printing, if you're doing an output for print, then you want to use the bleed settings for each file so that the all of the images that go over this edge of the page will be included. And we're just doing a general PDF to see what it comes out like as a rough draft. You want 300 DPI pixels per inch for the images, and then we hit the export, and it goes through all of the files that are listed in the book panel and creates a PDF combining them. Oh, thanks for watching.